Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see homemade condensed milk which can be prepared in 2 minutes. It is very easy. Let's jump onto the recipe. For that, in a mixer jar, I am adding half a cup of sugar. First we are going to grind the sugar into a fine powder. Once it is done, check whether the sugar is finely powdered, so that we can avoid any unwanted particles that are present in the sugar. To the sugar powder, I am going to add 1.5 cups of milk powder. Again, we are going to grind the mixture so that the sugar and the milk powder gets combined easily. After grinding, if you see, the texture of the powder will look like this. Here I am not going to add any milk or baking soda to the condensed milk. Instead, I am going to add half a cup of water. If you want to adjust the consistency more, you can also add 3-4 cup of water if needed to adjust the consistency, but half cup of water will do the job. If at all, if you need to preserve the condensed milk more time, you can add 3/4 cup of water. I have added 3/4 cup of water. If you see now, it will be a little watery in texture. So now I am just going to give a good grind to it, and if you see, the foams are formed on the top of it. It is little watery. It is completely fine. For long usage of condensed milk, we can just add some more water that is required more than what is added. So now if you see, I'm going to just transfer this mixture to a clean bowl, and I'm going to refrigerate it for a day or two so that the texture of the condensed milk gets formed perfectly. If you see now, you can see our condensed milk is ready. If you are going to add less water, then it will be extremely thick. This condensed milk is prepared without no sorting or with no fire, without baking soda and without butter or ghee. This is extremely helpful while for the preparation of sweets and payasam recipes. If you like these recipes, give a like in below, subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut, and if you are interested in talking interest about the condensed milk, you can give your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon below so that you can get hold of my future videos. Happy cooking!